Hi friend, today we'll write the program to find odd number in the given list of integer and multiply by 3 using Java 8 feature like string API, for each iterative method and filter. First write the class name, then main method, then list of integer, and the data type is integer, num list is equal to array dot as list. Then write the list of array 4, 5, 7, 8. Import list in Java util from Java util package. Then use Java 8 feature num list dot string dot filter dot string I modulate 2 is if any number divide by 2 and not equal to 0, then use map I is multiply by 3, then use for each iterative method, I print the value of I. In this line of code, first we use a string API and then filter the integer and to find odd number. If I is divisible by 2 and not equal to 0, then that is odd number, and that odd number is multiplied by 3, and then is for each iterative method print the value of I. Save the program and run the program. In the list, odd number is 5 and 7 and multiply by 3, and then 15 and 21. That's it.